Unlocking the world of range of experience. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations and writings: range of experience. Understanding this phrase can unlock new levels of comprehension and expression in English. So, let's get started on our journey to explore what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday English. At its core, range of experience refers to the variety and scope of experiences that an individual has encountered over a period of time. This can include knowledge gained, skills learned, and situations or activities participated in. The key components here are variety and scope. It's not just about having experiences. It's about having a broad spectrum of them, from professional to personal, from challenging to enjoyable. Having a broad range of experience is often seen as valuable because it equips individuals with a versatile set of skills and perspectives. This versatility can enhance problem-solving abilities, creativity, and empathy, as individuals can draw upon a wide array of past experiences when facing new situations or challenges. In job interviews, for example, a diverse range of experience can make a candidate more appealing to employers, as it suggests adaptability and a well-rounded character. Now that we know what it means and why it's important, let's look at how to incorporate range of experience into our everyday English. Talking about professional background, my range of experience in the tech industry, from startups to multinational corporations, has equipped me with a unique set of skills. Describing personal growth, traveling the world has significantly broadened my range of experience, making me more open-minded and adaptable. In resumes or interviews, I believe my range of experience in project management and team leadership makes me a strong candidate for this role. Understanding and using the phrase, range of experience, can greatly enrich your English vocabulary and help you articulate the breadth and depth of your personal and professional journeys. Whether you're discussing your background in a job interview, writing about your personal growth, or simply aiming to express yourself more precisely, this phrase is a powerful tool in your linguistic arsenal. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of range of experience for you and that you're now more confident in using it. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting aspects of the English language with you.